Ito ang tanong ng marami, how does your business work, Marites? Ganito yon. Para siyang online franchise minus the high franchise fees. So ano ang included dito? Meron tayong video-based na step-by-step training kahit walang computer knowledge. Mentorship and coaching kasama na din. Kasama rin yung website mo, automated systems at product partnerships in place na. So ano yung role mo bilang business owner? Yung role mo bilang business owner ay sundan ng business setup training at pag-aralan. We use attraction marketing to attract people na gustong kumita online. Hindi mo kailangan magduldol ng produkto sa kaibigan at kamag-anak. Hindi rin kailangan mangumbinse, hindi rin kailangan mag-recruit. Paano naman ako kikita? So yun yung tanong ng marami. Kikita ka once na may sumali sa business mo at mag-avail ng startup product package. Gagamitin nila ito for personal use. Kikita ka ng commission doon sa package na kinuha nila. So simpleng sistema, meaning kaya mo ring sundan kahit wala kang business at computer knowledge. Asahan mong may full support ako bilang mentor at coach mo. Proven na itong sistema na gamit namin. As a matter of fact, 6 years na ako dito. I'm happy, willing, and ready to get you started. So comment how and I'll be glad to assist you.